When I was a kid, in the rainforest books, they'd say 50% of the life in a rainforest is up in the canopy. And it's like, you always say like, yeah, bullshit. It is. There's more stuff up there than there is down there. So when you're walking in the Amazon, you're under 150 feet of green. 3% of the sunlight is hitting the ground. Most of the action is happening above you.
Wow.
The birds, the monkeys, the bats, the snakes, the frogs, everything is moving up there. There's cactuses and bromeliads and vines, and it's all interconnected. And there's this whole network. The Amazon canopy keeps changing the like when you say how many species are on Earth, and it's like they're like, we really don't know, because nobody can spend time up in the Amazon canopy. There's people that have used hot air balloons. There's people that have used giant nets. You can climb up with a rope, but then like you're kind of limited to one tree.